Welcome to this training session on layout and flat pattern development. To prevent any waste of material and to get a greater degree of accuracy in the finished part, it is wise to make a layout or flat pattern of a part before forming it. Construction of interchangeable structural and non-structural parts is achieved by forming flat sheet stock to make channel, angle, Z, or head section members. Before a sheet metal part is formed, make a flat pattern to show how much material is required in the bend areas, at what point the sheet must be inserted into the forming tool, or where bend lines are located. Bend lines must be determined to develop a flat pattern for sheet metal forming. When forming straight angle bends, correct allowances must be made for setback and bend allowance. If shrinking or stretching processes are to be used, allowances must be made so that the part can be turned out with a minimum amount of forming. This concludes this training with the aircraft that specifies all the required equipment and all equipment approved for installation in the aircraft.